Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I'm working on several grills out here, and this video kind of got chopped all into pieces, and it's just bits and pieces of random grills I'm working on. But I was doing a bunch of them at the same time, and I was trying to video them, and it just kind of got out of hand. So this is just going to be a bunch of bits and pieces of different ones that I'm all doing at the same time, and that fire pit that you can see in the corner. A couple of them are combos that have the Santa Maria grill with another one. That's why I was trying to get that little spacing on the end there. It's going to connect to a grill. And this is the 30 by 20 charcoal grill. You've probably seen it. This will connect to the side of that Santa Maria. I haven't done one like this before, but they wanted this on there instead of the smoker that's normally connected to it. I'm also doing one of those in this video. But just getting that thing welded up, getting everything put together. It's really, I started out trying to do a whole video on this, and it just kind of fell apart on me, like I say, and started getting moved around from there. But I got the two pieces sitting here. It's kind of a tricky put together there. Normally that's the 20 by 20 vertical smoker. But I went ahead and got them connected there. Just getting the door out here. I have score marks on there before I put it together. That way I don't have to try to figure it all out after the fact. But it's coming along here. Quite a bit's gotten done to it. You can see it have the side door on the grill there. Then this is a rack. This is skipped way ahead, because now if you look behind me, you can see the other one almost put together behind me. And that has the vertical smoker on it. I'll show it in a minute. This is the rack for a different one that's on the other side of me. But this is the one with the smoker. This one's a little unusual too, because it has that firebox in between. It doesn't normally have that. It has flames on the door of the firebox. It still has some stuff to do to this one, but it's getting close. This is the V-groove rack with the drip tray on the front. Normally they have expanded metal, but they can have that. That's a 40 by 20 I'm getting together. And then another over here with the firebox. This one has big 10-inch wheels on it. And then that's the other one. It's actually pretty much done now. Like I say, I skipped way ahead. But you can see the side door over there. The tables will fold down. This is another different rack. This has a round stock in it. And that's just because they wanted it on there. Has a shovel in the rake there. That's just an extra piece of plate they wanted that's laying on the bottom down there. But back over to trying to get these finished out, get the tables put on and stuff. Like I say, I really didn't get much video of any of these things. Just kind of going back and forth on them now. This one would have been done, but I was waiting to get hinges. Here I'm just trying to get the wheel and the handle and everything put on here. You can see that thing move every time I try to tack it. I actually cut some of it out. Sometimes you try to do that and that thing will slide 15 times before you finally get it to stay there. Then I just about got that one ready for paint. I'll come back and show these after they're done. Like I say, I was really just jumping around, getting video here and there, trying to get all these things done. But I'll come back on the next one and show them all done up, at least the ones that I have ready. This one's pretty much ready now. I just hadn't got the door put back on. It has a brown door. But anyway, like I say, on the next one I'll show them finished up. And if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.